Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to change App Store country on iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you want to change the App Store country without any problem, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to go to general. And after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to simply reset all of your network settings. And after that, you have to go back. Now, if you want to change the country of the App Store, then there are two methods available. The first method is as that you have to simply open the App Store here. And here what you have to do, you have to simply click on name or Apple ID here, and you have to simply click on Apple ID, and after that you have to wait for some time so that a new kind of interface is available. So here what you have to do, you have to simply look for the change country or region option. So here you have to simply click on that, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply wait for the country list to appear. So if you want to change the country, then you have to simply select that country. For example, we are going to change it into United States. Then here we have to simply select the United States here, and you have to simply make sure that you do not have any kind of subscription which are not working in United States. Before that, you can simply cancel that subscription so that subscription will not work for you. So you have to make sure about that. And after that, you have to simply click on continue. And here you have to simply agree the terms and condition of the United States country or region change. So you have to click on that, and after that you have to provide agree the terms and condition, and you have to provide the payment method after providing the clicking on agree on terms and condition. For this, you have to make sure that you have a strong internet connection, otherwise it will not be changed. So you have to providing the country and the payment method, your country or region will be changed. And the second method is as that you have to simply go to settings, and you have to simply click on name or Apple ID, and after that you have to wait for some time. So here you have to simply click on media and purchases, and you have to click on view account. And after that, what you have to do, you have to wait for some time so that the same kind of interface is available. So in this way, you can simply change the country or region without any problem on the App Store. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.